What's this?
This is a tissue paper.
Yeah, first of all, you have to listen to me carefully. This is a tissue paper.
This is a tissue paper.
So tell me again, please. What's this?
This is a tissue paper.
This is a tissue paper.
This is a tissue paper.
Tell me again, please. What's this?
This is a tissue paper.
Yeah, so what's the color of the tissue paper? Listen and tell me, please. The color of the tissue paper is white. Please, you look at me. So that, tell me, the color of the tissue paper is white. Okay. Next one, please, you tell me. What's this?
This is a pencil.
This is a pencil.
This is a pencil.
Tell me again, please, everyone. What's this?
This is a pencil.
This is a pencil.
This is a pencil.
Tell me, sir, this is a pencil.
Sir, this is a pencil.
Okay, so what's the color of the pencil? Exactly. So the color of the pencil is? So, okay, so you please tell me, what's this? This is a fruit. I don't know actually what's this, so please you tell me, what's this? Is it a fruit? So, do you know the name of the fruit? No, this is not the proper answer. I've said that actually. Do you know the name of the fruit? You have to answer in this way. Yes, sir, I know the fruit. Yes, sir, I know the fruit. So then if we ask you, so what's the name of the fruit? Exactly, the name of the fruit is? Okay, so please you tell me, what's this? This is a? Okay, so what's the color of the pen? You tell me, what's the color of the pen? Blue. Wow, that's great. So please everyone tell me, yeah, I know that. So what's the color of the pen? The color of the pen is? Okay, so this is a pen. Then if I ask you, what's this? No. Listen, when we will get, listen, hello, look, hello, last. Yeah, please look at me. Hello, look at me and pay attention, please. Look at me and turn to me. Yeah, I know that, please you look at me. Yeah, turn to me. You tell me again, please. What's this? Okay, then if I ask you actually, what's this? Exactly, this is also a pen. What's this? Exactly, this is also a pen. Okay, then what's the color of the pen? The color of the pen is, listen, orange. Not orange. Tell me, orange. Orange. Pen. Pencil. Tissue paper. We have also an orange in our classroom. Do you know who is orange? Who is orange? You are our orange. So, orange. Next one, please you tell me. What's this? What's this? And this is a beautiful clock. Tell me, this is a beautiful clock. And this is a beautiful clock. Thank you. Hello, you come to me, please. You come to me. You stand here. You please tell me, who is this? This is a? This is a baby. This is a girl. Tell me, this is a girl. Tell me again, please. You please come. Please, hello. Go back. Come back, please. Okay, you stand here. You stand here. Okay, fine. Please, I'm going to ask you. Please, everyone answer me. Who is this? This is a. You have to also tell me, sir. This is a girl. In this way, this is a girl. Hello. You show me, please. This is a girl. This is a girl. Tell me. This is a girl. Tell me. This is a girl. Okay. So, do you know what's the name of the girl? Oh, do you know the name of the girl? The name of the girl is? Ayan, come to me. The name of the girl is? The name of the girl is? Okay, Manha, please, you sit down, please. Thank you. Have a seat. Have a seat, please. You go to your seat. You go to your seat. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. If I ask you actually, who is this? You have to also tell us. This is a boy. Do you know the boy? So, what's the name of the boy? Exactly. The name of the boy is? Okay. Then if I ask you actually, do you know who is this? Do you know who is this? This is a teacher. This is a teacher. Do you know the teacher? What's the name of the teacher? Oh, do you know my name? Yeah, I'm Forhad, sir. But Aslihan is disturbing Manha. Don't touch Manha, please. Manha, don't talk to Aslihan. You look at me, okay? Aslihan, look at me and pay attention, please. Okay, so please, then if I ask you actually, okay, listen. This is a boy. You come to me, come here. And this is a girl. And this is a girl. Maha, come to me. Maha, come to me. So tell me, this is a boy. This is a girl. This is also a girl. Okay, so tell me. I'm going to ask you, who is this? Do you know the name of the girl? No, wait, no. First of all, yes, sir, I know. Yes, sir, I know. So I'm going to ask you, please everyone look at me. Hello, last students, please look at me. Yeah, look. So, who is this? Tell me, sir, this is a girl. Hello, please talk to me. Talk to me, hello, talk to me. And try to understand. Answer me everyone, please. Who is this? This is a? Tell me again, please, who is this? Do you know the name of the girl? Yes, I know the name of the girl. Hello. Tell me please. Yes, I know the name of the girl. বাচ্চাগুলোতে একটু সবাই কিছু দেখান তো স্যার, সবাই একটু দেখান কে গেছে আজকে ক্লাসে। The name of the the name of the girl is Maha. Okay, then who is this? This is also a girl. And the name, what's the name of the girl? Hello, what's your name? Mariam Noor. So tell me please everyone. So the name of the girl is Mariam Noor. Then if I ask you, who is this?
It is a girl.
Okay, is it a girl? This is a boy. This is a boy. And this is a handsome boy. The name of the boy is Ayan. Then hello, who is this? This is also a? Then do you know the boy? So what's the name of the boy? The name of the boy is Chocolate Boy. Exactly. This is a chocolate boy. Are you a chocolate boy? Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Yes or no? So why are you dancing with your ID card? Look at me. So yeah, the name of the boy is Ardin. Ardin. Okay. Let her sleep. Okay. So the name of the boy is Ardin. Okay. Thank you very much. Please, everyone, you have a seat, please. Thank you. Clap for them. Thank you. Sit down. Sit down, everyone. Sit down. Yeah. Oh, I know that she is sleeping. Okay. So have you got the lesson? Have you got the lesson? Look at me. Have you got the lesson? তোমরা কি লেসনটি বুঝতে পেরেছো কিনা জিজ্ঞেস করেছি আমি। কথা বলো না। তোমরা কি লেসনটি বুঝেছো? আমি আনসার পাচ্ছি না। বুঝতে পেরেছো কি না নাকি আবার পড়াবো? আপনারা বুঝতে পেরেছেন? বুঝতে পারেননি? আয়ন বুঝিনি, আবার পড়াতে হবে তাহলে। আবার পড়াচ্ছি দেখি। আয়ন আমাকে বলো প্লিজ, ইউ টেল মি। সবাই একসাথে, হোয়াটস দিস? Tell me everyone. এখন যে কথা বলবো না তাকে আমার কাছে পাঠিয়ে দিব কিন্তু। হ্যাঁ, আমাদের ক্লাস রেকর্ড হচ্ছে। So tell me please, what's this? This is a tissue paper. What's the color of the tissue paper? The color of the tissue paper is? Then you tell me what's this? Taya Taharat, look at me. What's the? Look at me. Look at me and tell me. What's the color of the pen? The color of the pen is? Okay, thank you very much. Clap everyone, please. Clap everyone. Clap everyone. Sir, take the clapping, please. Clap everyone. Okay, fine. Thank you. Good. Clap with a smiling face. Hello. Hello. Maha, Manha. Manha. Manha, Manha. Clap please. Clap everyone. Okay, perfect. Thank you.